In the Pythagoras property management system, we have a solution for cleaning services where clients and service providers can collaborate efficiently. Each cleaning shift on the schedule can be linked to one or more cleaners, giving you, as a cleaning manager, a clear overview of all cleaning tasks. The service provider can view schedules and descriptions and easily report back using the Pythagoras cleaning app. Here's how that works. In the Pythagoras cleaning app, the cleaner gets a tool to easily track the status of all cleaning tasks, as well as a clear overview of their colleagues' assignments. When opening a shift, you'll see a building model that shows which rooms need to be cleaned during this shift. The app can also register any deviation, and as a user, you can add your own notes about discrepancies. For better communication, you can take pictures and leave comments that your supervisor can follow up on. You'll now see that the room has updated, and you can also change statuses on multiple rooms at once. The app also gives you a summary of what types of surfaces are included in the task. To work efficiently and agile, as a user, you can filter and identify specific tasks. For example, if there are shifts that are understaffed, you can step in and assist. If you don't have the time to finish a shift, you can move it to a later time, another day, or assign it to another cleaner. All the data is summarized and gathered in one place in the Pythagoras property management system. Here you can see what percentage of the shifts are completed, and this is also where you can generate reports on tasks, including deviations, extra tasks, and perhaps the most important, a way to compare actual time spent versus the planned time. With this information, you can make decisions based on facts and statistics rather than guessing. Did you find this interesting? Visit our website to learn more.